The Squarespace Enterprise solution is designed for agile teams within large corporations who need to launch new projects without relying on development support. Whether your team is building a new public-facing product site or something internal for your colleagues, Squarespace Enterprise can bring your ideas to life quickly. Enterprise customers get exclusive access to products and premium services that large businesses require, like a dedicated account manager, single sign-on integration, and an all-in-one enterprise dashboard to manage their teams. Enterprise customers start their journey by logging in via their single sign-on provider. Each team member within the organization can safely and securely log in without sharing usernames or passwords. Once logged in, team members can see all active projects in one consolidated dashboard. From here, account administrators can add team members, adjust permissions, and push sites live. Team members can see only the sites they have permissions to. When you're building a site, you simply have to create a new site, where you and your team members can select from our ready-to-use templates, or choose an existing template created by your organization with copy, images, and logos ready to go. Squarespace Enterprise provides everything you need to get up and running quickly and securely. To learn more about how Squarespace Enterprise can help your team accomplish your goals, contact our sales team.